How to use conditionally format. Looking at a huge amount of data and wondering where the highlights are? Who has the highest or lowest score, what the top 5 are, etc. Excel's conditional formatting will do everything from put a border around the highlights to color coding the entire table. It'll even build a graph into each cell so you can visualize the top and bottom of the range of numbers at a glance. Above, the highest numbers are in speedy green, the lowest in halting red, with a spectrum in between. Use the highlighted cells rules submenu to create more rules to look for things, such as text that contains a certain string of words, recurring dates, duplicate values, etc. There's even a greater than a less than option so you can compare number changes.